This is a body wash from Swiss Miss. It is received in a nice bubble sheet. It's a nourishing body wash that provides instant nourishment to your skin. Contains shea butter and Himalayan salts that are too good for the skin barriers. Details are mentioned at the back. Nice pump form. I have been using it since a month and the results are amazing. With that, they have sent me this Dove Shampoos Tester. Nice! Next, they have sent me this Tresemme Shampoos Tester. It contains 2 shampoo sachets. At last, it's Pond's Light Moisturizer for non-oily soft skin. Next is this Courier Detail